Right guys, it's Shed. It's Monday morning. It's, I won't say 5 to 5, it's crackerjack, because it ain't. But we've got an empty shed. After 6 months of pure stress and grief, we finally got the shed empty. And you've seen it first here. Now, can we guess what we're doing next? We're going to do some MOT work. And the idea of MOT work is this thing, it's just a shame because she's actually running beautifully now. There is some video of it somewhere, Lee threaded together, I think. I replaced 3 injectors in it and a fuel pump, and it starts and runs, and it starts in all this bad weather, far better than anything else at the moment. So we managed to get 2 of them going out of the fleet. You guys have 2 bloody cars, guys. Jesus. I'm good with that word. This is going to be a little bit, because XJ40s suffer from corrosion, as everybody is aware. And some of them really do suffer from corrosion. I mean, some of them actually just rust like buggery just because they can. And obviously I'm just want to do this, like bits of weld on this, just really because it is MOT failure. Hopefully it'll be coming into shot in a minute in all its glory. He never gets over far enough. So there she is, purring smoothly in. Straighten her up. Bit more, come on. That'll do there, yeah. Okay, so job-wise, we've got an exhaust mount that's hanging off at the back. Needs to be orchestrated. We've got the corrosion that XJ40s seem to be all plagued with, and it was a great idea that Jaguar had originally to put these splash shields in, but what they didn't realise was where the captive nuts would go through the bodywork, they would rot into great big holes. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit on the bulkhead, nothing, that's okay. Other side, a little bit of a hole, but nothing majorly nasty. So we're going to have to tidy this up, and we don't really want to do too much damage to the thing. So what our plan is, we don't necessarily need it up on the lift, to be honest, I don't think, but it'd be nice to go up on the lift. Brake fluid, when the thing runs long enough, this electric pump pressurizes it, and then the ABS light goes out. I didn't notice that. We need to check the lights, make sure everything's working on the lighty front. But what do you think? Do you want to go up in the lift to get the front, or should we jack it?
You're doing it.
I mean, I would be welding it from above anyway. I'm not welding it from underneath, so well, I just want to take the splash shields out so I don't have it all on fire, and the wheels will be off. So.
You've got something to do with the exhaust as well.
That's just the tail rubber mounting broke off, I think. The rubber mounts come out from the exhaust.
It's going to be easier, isn't it?
You want to put up the lift?
Well, the lift will be easier, won't it? Because you can have it all up. You can do.
I can let it up and down. Yeah, you're right. Okay, right, guys. So we're going to put it up on the lift, and we will come back to you when we've maybe got a little bit further into it. We hope. But all I can say is, you know. Why me? Because you're here, lad. There's no one else. Tell you what, look, South Wales Classic Car Club. Jaguar enthusiasts. And as I said before, he was never really certain about whether he was going to make it home. So he joined all of them. I bet there's a green flag one somewhere. Anyway, for the minute, leave it there. Talk to you soon. Bye.